Based on my research, this Anola.io website is risky. You can lose your money. However, if you want to make money online, if you want to learn how to avoid duplicate website, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to know how I make $100 Bitcoin for free, then you can check out my free video. Just go to affiliategoldcoin.com/btc. Now let me share with you the real truth. Number 1, team member missing information. When you will visit the Anola.io website, you will see their website is looking really beautiful, and in the background of the website they use some animation which makes their website looking so amazing. However, if you check out all of the team member information, then you will be shocked because most of the team members information is missing, and you will not find any real video of them. You will not find their social profile, and you cannot connect with them physically so that you can learn more about their company. All of this team member information you can see all are not real because most of the team members photos and the name is demo name and demo photos, because all of these photos are fake. Basically they designed this kind of photo using Adobe Photoshop and make them a team member so that you believe that they are working on this company. However, all of these photos and names are demo so that they can easily achieve your trust and cut your pocket. Do not believe them. Number 2, giving you really high income opportunity to catch you like a fish. If you go to their about page and read about them, then you will see they are saying that they are a cryptocurrency trading expert. They will help you to make money doing trading cryptocurrency if you invest money on the website. Basically they are giving you really high income opportunity, because if you invest money only for 30 days, then they will give you an 18% profit, and if you invest money for 66 days, then they will give you 39% income opportunity. However, like this way they want to give you big income opportunity so that they can easily cut your pocket, because if they have cryptocurrency trading expert, then why not they are making money for themselves? Why not they are using their own expert so that they can help them to make money for their company? Why they are promoting their earning opportunity to you? Because it's easy to cut your pocket showing big income opportunity, as like people catch fish showing good food. Like this way they want to give you big earning opportunity to catch you like a fish. Number 3, they don't have any company. Basically using their website they are saying that they have a company, but to be honest they don't have any company. You will not find the founder real information. You will not find the team member real information, because you cannot connect with them in physically. You cannot go to their physical office and meet with them, and there is no way you will find all of these peoples again, because all are demo photo and demo name, and they make this demo website so that they can easily cut your pocket, because beginners people don't know how to review a website properly. That's why if you invest money in this website, they will easily make you fool, and there is no expert recommend this website. So you have to stay safe, because they will only help you online and give you email support, but when you will try to connect with their founder, or when you will try to learn about their founder information or team members information, they will avoid your question and they will not reply to you, and you will not find them again. Number 4, no refund policy. As you know, the professional company will always give you a 30-day money back guarantee and a 60-day money back guarantee, so that if you don't like their work or if you don't like the company, you can refund and get back your money. But after doing research, they don't have any refund policy. You cannot refund your money because they don't have any refund option. And if you check out their YouTube channel, then you will see they are only using one video and they upload the same video multiple times with a different language. You will not find any helpful video about their company. You will not find any real person testimonials. You will not find any real people payment proof. So you should stay safe from this company. Save your valuable time, save your valuable money. So based on my research, this Anola.io company is risky. You can lose your money. Bitcoin is increasing day by day and it will increase more in the future. So if you know how to start Bitcoin mining totally for free, then you can earn a good amount of money in a short time. If you know how to mine $1 Bitcoin, then you should know this $1 Bitcoin will be increased to $10 in a few months later. And if you know how to mine $100 Bitcoin, then it will be increased to $1,000 in a few years, because Bitcoin price will be increased more in the future. So in this video I am going to show you a legal website that will help you to mine Bitcoin totally for free, and you can grow your own mining network to earn more Bitcoin totally for free. But if you need fast Bitcoin mining speed, then you can invest in CryptoTab browser Cloud Boost to earn more Bitcoin in a few days. Now you have to follow a few steps to start Bitcoin mining totally for free. Number 1, download and install CryptoTab browser. CryptoTab is a browser like Google Chrome. You can browse and do anything with it, and the best advantage of CryptoTab browser is they will help you to earn Bitcoin mining with your PC or on your mobile phone. This means you can easily install the browser into your PC or on your mobile phone, and you can start mining both of them. After install, click on this icon to see your dashboard. You can see all of your mining BTC, all of your Bitcoin mining referral income and total income from this dashboard. Number 2, create an account. You can easily create an account using your email or Facebook. Just click to sign up, create an account and start mining. Number 3, start mining with maximum speed. As you know, you can start mining on your smartphone or on your PC. However, if you install this software into your PC, then you can start Bitcoin mining by clicking on this maximum button. Clicking on this maximum button, then you will see your Bitcoin mining is just started. Number 4, invest in Cloud Boost to mine Bitcoin faster. Now Cloud Boost is an opportunity for you if you need faster mining speed. If you need faster mining speed, then you can invest in Cloud Boost. Number 5, withdraw your earning balance to your Bitcoin wallet. To be honest, crypto browser is legal and paying users for many years. I recently get paid from this CryptoTab browser. You can see in my payment history, I get paid from the CryptoTab browser. You can get paid once you make 11 cents. Then just click on this withdrawal button, then add your Bitcoin wallet address to get paid. Number 6, create a cryptocurrency wallet. If you don't have a cryptocurrency wallet, then I will recommend you to create an account in Coinbase. Coinbase is a secure platform that makes it easy to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Coinbase is a trustful wallet where you can save and store all of your cryptocurrency. I personally use Coinbase and I will give you the joining link in my video description. Make sure you create a free Coinbase account so that you can get paid into your wallet. Number 7. Get paid 15% commission from referral income. Crypto browser referral system is very good where you can make money without doing any work. And if you have only 5 active referrals, then you can expect to earn $3 every single month. The more referral you make, the more money you can earn. However, if you think my video helped you, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. However, if you want to connect with me, then you can send me a message on my Telegram. I will help you to learn the real truth. And if you think my video helped you, then you can share this video with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day.